Hi everybody. So many of you parents were asking about worksheets with regards to Jolly Phonics. So here I have 14 worksheets for you guys, and this is only for group 1. So the alphabets are S, A, T, I, P, and N. So just the 6 alphabets. I have 14 worksheets for you. So stay tuned. So in this first worksheet, we are doing match the picture to correct sound S. So here I have the alphabet, that's S, and you want to match the picture to the sound. So is that snake? S. Yes, so you're going to match that. Sled, you're matching that. Bed is not S. Sink is S, so you're going to match that. Then you have over here a bird, which is not S, of course. It could be a parrot, but it's a bird and it's not S. Sound is not S. Then we have skates, which is a S sound, so that's S. So you're going to go ahead and match that. And then we have snail, which is again an S sound, S, snail. So you're going to go ahead and match that. Then in the next worksheet, I have color each picture that begins with S. So here we have star. So you're going to go ahead and color that. Each picture that has the S sound, and just go ahead and color that, and only that picture. And the rest of the pictures you want to leave alone. So the star is star. This is a rope, so it's not sound. Tape, no. Sweater, yes. So you're going to color this one. Seal or sea line, yes. So you're going to color that. Table, no. Slide, slide, yes. Then we have a spider, sound. Then we have a spider's web. So the next worksheet, color each picture that begins with the A sound. Apple, yes. Bat, no. Anchor, yes. Pencil, no. Fish, no. Axe, yes. Ant, yes. Alligator, yes. Now here, my son made a mistake here. This is a nut, but it also is an acorn. But acorn is a long A sound. So you want to leave that out. This is not ah, this is A. And then carrot is a no. Match the picture to the correct sound ah. That's a nest. So this is n. So this is not ah. This is a ball. This is a net. This is a pig. This is a pot. This is an ant. This is an ant. So ah, yes. This is an aeroplane. So ah, yes. Only 2 in this picture. Next, match the picture to the correct sound of T. So this is a toothbrush. So this is a T. This is a tent. So this is a T. This is a bee, or also an insect. So this is not a T. This is a top. So this is a T. This is a television. So this is a T. Arrow, no. Spoon, no. Snail, no. Ink pot, no. Star, no. Next is P. Match the picture to the correct sound. P. Pig, yes. P. Lips, no. Ice cream, no. Pencil, yes. P. Then we have a peach, yes. P. Parrot, yes. P. Peas, yes. P. Next we have the sound E. This is a ladybug, but it's also an insect. So this will be E. Insect, iguana, yes. E. Truck, no. Ink pot, yes. E. Apple, no. Igloo, yes. E. Next we have the sound N. Flower or leaf, no. Net, yes. N. Pencil, no. Insect or butterfly, no. Nail, yes. Nail. And this is a nut, a peanut. So nut, yes. Okay, so that was worksheet number 8. Moving on to worksheet number 9. So since now your child has figured out which sound goes with which picture, now is the time to do the matching the objects with the sound, which is so much fun. Okay, so s, a, t, e, p, n. So s matches with sun, sun. It also matches with sock. It matches with sock. Matches with train, no, nail, penguin, igloo, apple. A matches with apple, with apple, and also matches with arrow. T, 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 train, and table. E matches with igloo, also matches with iguana. P matches with penguin, also matches with pineapple, and so forth. Worksheet number 10, you're going to practice the s, a, t, e, p, and n sounds, so you can put dots so your child can trace the alphabets. And here with the kick, and you have a small kick at the end. This is pre-cursive writing, so it helps your child to start writing cursive after this. Worksheet number 11, you're going to go ahead and match the capitals to the small. There are different colors here. If they are 3 years, 4 years, you may want to use same colors, but if they are a little bit advanced and they're already doing this, then use different colors. So that way it's a little bit of a challenge for them. A matches with A, P matches with P, T matches with T, N matches with N, S matches with S, E matches with, I matches with E. Next, we have group 1 word bank for reading. So here the words are at, it, it's, in, pit, sat, sit, pat, tap, tip, sip, nap, pan, pin, tin, ant, spin, snip, and snap. So when you teach your child, put your finger on the dot below the letter and then say the sound and then move on to the next letter. Say that sound and then move fast. At, it, it, eats, it's, in, p, it, pit, at, sat, it, sit, and so on. Then we have worksheet number 13, that is practicing how to write words. So again, you're going to put those dots and let them write. Finally, worksheet number 14, we have fill in the blanks and rewrite. So this person is taking a nap, so you want to fill in the first or the second letter of the word. So a, p, nap, and you fill in the rest. A, p, nap, p, a, n, pan, p, and n, pan. This person is sitting, sat, 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 sat. This is a tap, 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 tap. In, pin, in, pin. Finally, we have scissors that snip, 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 snip. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope you guys can make this at home. I will be sharing what's in the workbook of Jolly Phonics 1 group. To be honest with you, I didn't really care for that book because it's not as thorough as I would have expected it to be. And I will put the link in one of this, you can access it. But I really don't think it's worth the money. Although the system is good, the way the workbooks are made for students, because it's not as thorough, it does not have as much work to do. It's the simple, just write A and write B. And I want to share it with you so you guys can be a judge for yourself. But it's not worth that money in my opinion. Okay, so see you guys in the next lesson. I'll be doing the same video for next group.